Vancouver. Mountains on one side, ocean on the other, and you're stuck reading a laminated map. Group tours rush past Gastown's steam clock without telling you the real story. A guide skips Stanley Park's totem poles because there's no time. Uvamai's Vancouver self-guided audio tour puts you in control. For just $6, you get a private access link, professional narration for 14 hand-picked landmarks, plus an interactive map you can follow at your own pace. No group. No schedule. Just you and the city. Discover Canada Place's Expo Legacy. Learn the engineering secret behind the convention center's living roof. Hear the truth about the steam clock. It's not what everyone thinks. Uncover the story behind Vancouver's most talked about library. And walk the seawall's 80-year story, one stop at a time. Travelers from around the world have chosen Uvamai because they wanted to actually understand Vancouver, not just photograph it. Get your access link. Explore Vancouver on your terms. Only $6 at uvamai.com.